What we got here is the TT01, obviously one of the most fastest bike out in the race field. TT01 is made in Switzerland, and it's custom tailor-made. So whenever you have a customer which is interested in that bike, you jump to a specific website, you dial in your numbers and figures once the custom fit is done, and then we start to map out the drawings, and then we finally start to do the molds and toolings in order to get the frame made. Very interesting is the fork fitting. We call it the arrow hinge type fitting. There's no regular headset going along. It's bolted up from underneath, an aluminum bolt which goes up, two bearings sitting in there, and that's how we fix the fork onto the frame. It's a one-piece design fork, which is also quite unique. Given the fact that we have an adjustable stem here, it's multi-adjustable, kind of a rotor which you can flip around, gives you more adjustability on the frame. So once you sign your frame drawings, you have to decide what kind of length you want to have, what's the extension, if you want to have high fit or if you want to have low fit. This is all up to the customer and the custom fitting process, which you have to figure out in advance. So all is custom made, so is also the seat post. We got an internal fitting system. There's a minimum range of 50mm of adjustment possible on the seat post, and also the seat rail can be slided forward or backwards in order to dial in the appropriate riding position. TT01 has been used by the team for the most of the races this year. They're going to use it also for next year. Cadell Evans, George Hincapie, they've all been on this bike, and it's obviously one of the fastest bikes out in a bike field.